Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you how to make that cool frosted glass blur in your Canva designs. Click the Create button. Next, choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as your dimensions to set up your new project. Go to Elements, search for a beautiful background, and select this one to use. It will enhance your design. Set this as the image background by selecting Set as Background Image. To blur specific areas, start by detaching the background layer. Select the background, right-click, and choose Detach from Background. Next, duplicate the background layer by right-clicking it again and selecting Duplicate. This process lets you apply different effects, like blur, to separate areas. Press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate the selected layer. Now, let's reattach the background layer so it appears behind your main content, restoring the original layout with both layers visible. After you attach the background image to your design, simply click and drag the corners to enlarge it, making sure it fits your layout exactly as you want. Enlarge the image by selecting the zoom tool and adjusting to your desired size. To add rulers, go to the View menu and enable rulers for precise alignment. Now, if you want to apply a blur effect to a specific area, such as the section with trees, use the rectangle or lasso selection tool to outline this area. With the area selected, navigate to the Filter menu and choose Blur, then adjust the settings as needed to blur only the selected portion. Next, to crop the image, select the Crop tool. Click and drag to define the area you want to keep. This operation will affect only the duplicate image you're working with, ensuring your original remains unchanged. Slide the clip to your desired position, then select and trim the section you want to adjust for a cleaner edit. Here is our box image. To add a blur effect, click the Edit button. In the Tools menu, select See All to display additional options. Find and click on Blur. Apply the blur to the entire image for simplicity. You can now adjust the intensity of the blur using the provided slider. Move the slider left or right to set the preferred blur level for your image. Once you are satisfied with the blur intensity, your modifications are complete. This quickly adds a professional blur effect to your box image. Set the blur level to 50%. Next, go back to your main view. Notice that the selected area now has the blur effect applied. If you want to remove the ruler, simply click on it and drag it away from the workspace. You can also reposition the blurred area by dragging it to a different spot as needed. By using the ruler, you are able to blur a specific area of your image, making it easy to highlight or hide any content you choose. To save your design in Canva, click the Share button in the upper right corner, then choose Download. For images, select PNG for higher quality. Before downloading, increase the size under the Size option to ensure the best resolution. If you need the design for printing, select PDF Print for optimal print quality. After choosing your preferred format and settings, click Download to save the file to your device. You just learned how to add a transparent blur effect in Canva. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe for more design tips.